Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, August something, 20th maybe? Anyways, it is 10:22. I just turned on the app like 2 minutes ago, and I was able to get on Doordash, and I also have Uber Eats up and Grubhub.
Proceed to the route.
Oops. I am here. What are you talking about? So anyways, I accepted.
Proceed to the route.
She does not know that I'm here. A Denny's.
Proceed to the route.
Which is a place I don't normally go to because they are in this route. I'm not sure where she thinks I'm going. Normally very slow here, but that's okay. So, I accepted it. It's 11:50, like I said. It's going 3.6 miles or something like that. Not far. It'll be good. It'll be good. So, I just wanted to talk about last night for a second. It was dead. So my husband and I went out. We were out about an hour and a half. I think we made $40. It was just dead. There was just, I think we only did 2 deliveries. No, must have done 3. I think we did 3 deliveries in an hour and a half. But it was like dead. I mean, not even getting the offers. I wasn't like turning down millions of them. They just were not coming. So it was really pretty miserable. So we just gave up and went out and had dinner. But yeah, so yesterday was dead. I'm hoping today is much better. So we'll see. Anyways, so far so good. Got one. Gonna go in and grab it. Hopefully there's nothing on the shelf, so I doubt that it's ready. I can see it from right here. But at least he'll know I'm here, so maybe they'll get it done. Who knows? It's yeah, hit or miss here. Whatever. It'll be fine. I haven't gotten anything else on the other apps, so I'm just going to hold on, keep this one. Be back later. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, dropped that one off, $11.50. It was $5 tip. It was very easy. It's $11.37, so it took 15 minutes. Oh, here's a 7-Eleven. Not taking that. $5.50. Not gonna do that one. I was so shocked. Went into Denny's and the food was ready. Oh my gosh. And it was crowded in there. So that was really a surprise. Walmart. Okay, I am so glad Walmart has only 30 more days left with Doordash. Here is 7 deliveries for $20.75. Who thinks that's a good idea? I mean, who in their right mind would take these? I'm so glad Walmart's leaving. In case you haven't heard, Doordash has ended its contract or its partnership with Walmart, so that's good. Doordash will become a little better from here on out, I think, just without Walmart to worry about. We don't have to spend time declining all the Walmart offers that we get. So, I know some of you may like taking them. I've never talked to anybody who has, but maybe there's somebody out here who likes them. I don't know. I know that Uber Eats also has Walmart deliveries. I've never received one. But we don't have a normal Walmart. Our Walmart's it's like a grocery store. Walmart neighborhood market or something like that. It's not like the big Walmart store. So maybe that's why I don't get deliveries from Uber Eats, which is fine. I don't care. I don't want them. And Uber's on, Grubhub's on, and Doordash is on. And I'm right near a whole bunch of things, but a lot of this stuff doesn't open till 11. I'd ordered a Jamba Juice, so I'm going to go pick that up. I've been just having a craving for Jamba Juice. So they have a watermelon one that they can make dairy-free. It's pretty good. It doesn't taste like watermelon at all, actually. I don't even know if there's watermelon in it. It's called, it's a plant-based creamy watermelon something or other. Anyways, it's very delicious. It has pineapple in it and strawberries, and like I said, I don't think there's any watermelon in it, but it's very good. And on weekends, if you have the app, it's only $5. So I'm getting one. And I already ordered it, so it was ready 10 minutes ago. So I'm gonna go pick that up. I'm almost there. Badass breakfast burritos. Wow, that's going far. 11:50, and it's going off into Moore Park, which is a whole other city. There's a lot of traffic on the freeways. Like northbound 101, I can see from right here is stopped. So I'm not sure if there's an accident or something. There is the air show today in Camarillo Airport. Maybe all those people are going to that. I'm not really sure. My husband's there working today. Anyways, so I got to avoid the 101 north. There are other streets I can take to go north, but I have to keep that in mind because that could be a... Wow, it's not even moving. I can see the freeway. Southbound looks okay. Anyways, yeah, so that's it for now. I'll come back later after hopefully I get some more offers. I'm not even sure I told you, but I took a badass breakfast burrito. It was supposed to be $11 and it came to $12 or $12.50 maybe. I think 12. Anyways, it was very easy. It did not go very far. I think 3 miles. So I got that dropped off. And now I'm heading back down towards where everything is. Yeah. I was shocked because the food was ready when I got there, which rarely ever happens. So, yeah, so far so good today with food being ready. And now I'm just gonna hope I get something else pretty soon. I don't like to waste my time. I don't like to wait. I want to just have the orders come. I know we all do, right? It's so much easier when it's just like consistent bam, 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 bam. You get to go do stuff constantly. I'm not good with waiting around. So, anyways, it's a little cooler today, only 83. And it is 11:05. So, yeah, nice day. And on the map, I have, you know, the navigation map up on my screen here. Freeway is pretty much red, so I'm not sure what's going on. Actually, it's funny. It's from one freeway west, north, west, whatever. We're at a weird part of California where the freeway kind of goes west and north at the same time, sort of. So sometimes they'll say it's the 101 north, sometimes it's the 101 west. When it's really the same freeway, it's just at what angle is it going at that particular point. Anyways, I am headed down here by the mall, so I should start getting stuff. Crossing my fingers. I'm so excited because our bathroom is almost done. I have talked about it a couple times on some of these drive with me's, but last November, that's how long this has been. This is now August. We had a plumbing problem, a leak, and long story short, the master bathroom has been off limits since then. We just turned off the water and let it all dry, and we've been fighting with insurance, and then we had a contractor that was getting kind of strange and flaky and changing prices on us, etc. And then just one thing after another, and I finally just decided to hire a different contractor, and oh my gosh, what a difference. So once I got the quote from them and we approved it, I think less than a week before they started, and it's been less than 2 weeks, and tomorrow I think they're going to be completing the project. I am so excited. It looks gorgeous. It looks better than what I thought it was going to look like. I am not a designer person, and I was left to pick a lot of things, and to be honest, I was a little scared. In my head, it looked a certain way, and in reality, it looks different, but it looks very pretty. These guys helped guide me in a way that made it look nice. So anyways, I'm super excited. So hopefully tomorrow they're going to come and finish it. Let's see. I'm at the mall. like I said, it's just 11, so a lot of people may not have ordered yet, but the restaurants are open, so that's a good sign. The mall's pretty crowded, actually, which is interesting. There's this one little parking lot where I like to park, and it's completely full. So yeah, right over here we have Lazy Dog. There's Cheesecake Factory, Urban Plates, Chipotle, and then there's a frozen yogurt, and then there's food court full of stuff. There's a lot of options right here. There's another mall not far. So I should hopefully get something. There's a lot of strange characters at the mall right there. I'm not sure what they're doing, but okay. Anyways, I will keep you posted if I get something. Hopefully I do. It would be terrible if that was the end of my little spree. I'll let you know. I don't even know if I told you, I picked up a Jack in the Box. It was 11 something. Doordash just dropped that off, and it was still 11 something. I can't remember what it was. So far I have 35.25, and it's been an hour and 10 minutes. So really not horrible. Seems really slow. There's hardly any offers coming in, but it's funny, all the ones that they're offering me are pretty much $11. Not all of them. I did get a couple other small ones, but I'm not getting a slew of orders regardless, good, bad, or otherwise. I've probably gotten 6 orders total, and I took 3 of them. So yeah, $17 coffee bean. Where the heck is that going? Oh, I wish I could see where it was going. I'm on the freeway. I can't concentrate on that right now. I took another Jack in the Box. This one was $9.50, going like 2 point something miles. Just dropped it off, no issues. It was great. Let's see. Have I done anything else? No. It's been really slow actually, and I think it's 12:20 right now. It's been 2 hours, and I think I only have like $44 or something, which is pretty bad. I did go to CVS, and I did go get gas, and what else did I do? Went to Jamba Juice. So I have spent some time doing some other things, but still pretty bad for a Saturday. So I am going to drive towards the car wash and see what I get, if anything. If not, I'm going to the car wash, and then I'm going to go to work at my husband's office. Those are the other 2 things I needed to do today, so I'll just see if I get anything along the way, and I'll check in and let you know. I don't have too high of hopes. It's been really pretty dead. It was pretty sad, but the earlier time before lunchtime was busier. There just might be more people out delivering. I'm not really sure. Here's a 1375 going, oh my god, 19 miles. Not taking that one. And here's a Starbucks. Ooh, I'm going to take this. Can I get over? It's only 9:23, but it's Starbucks right here, and it's going basically right over there. It's like super, super fast. So I'm going to take that one. Yeah, okay, so I got another $9. Well, not yet, but this is Uber Eats, so hopefully it'll be ready. But Starbucks is basically right here, and I'm going right across the freeway to deliver it. So that will be easy. Hopefully the people give me the gate code, but yeah, okay, this is interesting. So I knew the gate code for that neighborhood. It was the same for everybody, and they changed it. And the last time I went, the gate code didn't work that the lady even gave me. So the one I had didn't work, the one she gave me didn't work, and finally somebody, not finally, I only had to wait maybe 30 seconds, and somebody came and opened it with their clicker. But I'm like, okay, well, that's good to know that that other code doesn't work anymore. So got to make sure I get note of what the new one is, because I do deliver in that neighborhood a lot. And a lot of people don't give you gate codes. I don't know why. Okay, so I did that Starbucks. That was easy. It took like 10 minutes total. That was very easy. It was 9:32 or something like that. Then I was on my way. I went to the car wash. Didn't quite get there and got a CPK for $11.50 going 3.3 miles. So I took that one.
Stay in the left lane.
Like I said, everything's like $11 except for that $9 one. But anyway, so I picked that up. It was ready, believe it or not. And I am 2.6 miles from their house. So that will not, it says 4 minutes. Drop that off. And then I'll head back. I pretend like I'm going to go to the car wash. I really do want to go to the car wash. So hopefully I will get to go. But I don't need to go now if there's orders that I can do. Sorry, there's something on my seat. This car has strange seats. I don't think they're real leather. I'm not really sure. They've got a strange, I don't know. I'm not sure what they are. Regardless, I don't care what they are. They're nice and comfortable seats. But there's something on it and I can't get it off. It's like something shiny. Nobody sits in that seat. I drive on myself. Take the dogs once in a while. My husband hates my car, so he never comes in my car. Every once in a while I'll take my daughter somewhere if we go somewhere together. But I don't think she would have something shiny on her pants. But who knows, maybe. I don't know what it is. Anyways, regardless, I'm on my way to this person's house. And it's a leave by the door, so that should be pretty straightforward.